Powerful blast from SpaceX's Starship damages launch pad and wrecks a nearby minivan. Now you know why everyone is so far away during the launch. It's like, look at the scale of this blast. It looks like some equipment there, maybe a camera, but whoever was sort of set up over there looks to have evacuated and left the camera rolling, though. I guess.
Which is actually does pretty well in terms of lack of damage.
Well, it's whether or not it gets hit by debris. So the van definitely is getting hit by debris. The camera is a much smaller target, and it somehow looks like the debris misses it. But you can see these rocks hitting the van and the whole thing shaking over there. It's a tremendous amount of power.
Also, the shockwave. Is it the shockwave, or is it like a piece of rock?
I think it's some debris. I think it's absolutely some debris. At first, you see something launch out of there. Wham! See that? See that rock? It hits.
Yeah, it goes so fast.
It hits the back glass and just caves a chunk out of it. Watch the rock right here.
Oh yeah.
Bam.
Yeah.
It's just like, whew. Yeah, you need some clearance to get something like this done. Now, in the case of this equipment, did these people know they were in the line of fire? Is everybody just trying to get as close as possible? I would assume this would be an off-limits area. The dramatic footage comes from Lab Padre's VR cam, which the popular YouTube channel placed uncomfortably close to the 469-foot-tall launch and catch tower. Cameras this close to the launch are controlled remotely, as everyone must leave the area prior to launch for safety reasons. So the person themselves left the launch, but the minivan stayed. They're like,
yeah.
They're like, the minivan can take the risk. My own body cannot be replaced. I can get a new minivan.
So much power.
They sacrificed the minivan. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.